Chapter 4 Capital Markets. This is the lecture of Indian financial system BCom SEM 3 as per Gujarat University. Chapter 4 of Indian financial system Capital Market. 1. Primary market. The main points of capital market is introduction, functions of capital market, history of capital market, primary capital market, types of issue in primary market, public issue, issue of right shares, SEBI guidelines for issue of right shares, issue of bonus shares, SEBI guideline for issue of bonus shares, private placement of shares, modern trend of capital market. So these are the main points of capital market. First of all, Indian capital market. There are mainly 3 points: government securities, corporate securities, development financial institutions. In corporate securities, market for new issues, market for old issues. In development financial institutions, IFCI, ICICI, that is in the industrial credit insurance corporate, state financial corporation, in that each and every state financial IDBI, financial intermediaries. In financial intermediaries, generally merchant bankers, mutual funds, leasing companies, venture capital companies, and others are included. So these are the main structure of capital market. The functions of capital market: it provides long-term funds to the business enterprises for their capital projects. Functions. Another function, it maintains liquidity and fair prices of securities traded in the market. Another function is, as prices of securities to be issued are competitive, they improve the efficiency of capital allocation. The cost of transactions and information are lowered due to various services available in the capital market. Through stock exchange transaction, the ownership of the securities gets broadened. Another function is, it provides safety to investment against price risk by derivative trading. It provides information regarding prices of securities and such other informations which enable a seller to decide whether to invest now, where and when. It provides quick valuation of all types of securities which guide the investors in their decision making. So these are the main functions of capital market. Now, first of all, primary capital market. In primary capital market, companies issue securities like shares and debentures to raise funds to meet the financial requirements for modernization, expansion, and diversification. There are 2 main characteristics of primary capital market. It is that segment of the capital market where capital formation occurs. There are a number of intermediaries in the primary market. There are financial institutions too. In order to raise long-term finance in the primary market, the companies issue equity shares, preference shares, bonds, debenture, etc. The issues are made in the primary market to the public, that is public issue. Formerly, there was a control on the issue price of shares of the companies by controller of capital issues. The SEBI has relaxed the condition of compulsory underwriting of shares and has made it voluntary to save issue expenses. So these are the main primary market related points. Types of issue in primary market. This is new point. There are mainly four ways: public issue, right issue, issue of bonus shares, and private placements. So these are the main four types of issue in primary market. First of all, in public issue, if a new company wants to issue shares to the public, it must pass a resolution in the meeting of the board of directors. Then in public issue, no company shall make any public issue of securities unless draft prospectus has been filed with the SEBI. No company shall make an issue of securities if the company has been prohibited. Pre-issue and post-issue obligations are the main two procedures of public issue. In pre-issue, there are various procedures are occurred, in which the SEBI gives the guideline for pre-issue. However, in post-issue obligations, SEBI gives day-to-day guideline as per norms of Act. Now, what is right issue? When an existing company makes further issue of share, it is compulsory for it to offer them to existing shareholders in proportion to their present holdings. As the present shareholders have got the right to get their these shares, they are called rights shares. The provisions regarding issue of rights shares contained in Section 81 of the Companies Act are given below. Where at any time after such further shares shall be offered to equity shareholder of the company. The offer shall be made by notice specifying the number of shares offered and the time within which the offer should be accepted. The offer should give time limit of not less than 15 days from the date of the offer. Unless the articles provides otherwise, the offer shall also include a right to renounce the shares offered to him in favor of any other person after expiry of the time specified in the notice. Another rights are issued guideline is such offer need not be made to the existing shareholders. So rights says issue of rights are procedures. Provision of rights share. Now procedure for issue of rights share. Procedure for issuing rights shares. A decision is taken to issue further shares in the meeting of board of directors. A meeting of the shareholder is converted to get their consent. A copy of the resolution with other necessary information is filed with the registrar within 30 days. The secretary will close the register of members after passing of the resolutions and prepares a list of members who are entitled to the shares, the number of shares to be offered to each shareholders. The secretary now prepares letters of offer and dispatches them to members. On expiry of the time limit prescribed for accepting the offer, the secretary will prepare a list of members who have consented to subscribe for the shares offered to them. Then, when all shares are disposed of, the secretary will prepare share certificates. Then another one, a copy of the letter of allotment which serves the purpose of a prospectus is filed with the registrar. The necessary alterations are made in memorandum of association. Now, guideline. Issue of bonus shares. Guideline of rights share. No company shall make a right issue of equity shares or any securities convertible at a later date into equity shares. A listed company may freely price its right issue of equity shares pending conversion of convertible debentures. A company cannot withdraw right issue after announcement of record date. Issue of bonus shares. Issue of bonus shares. Reason for issue of bonus share: when the company does not have sufficient cash reserve to pay cash dividend, when the company wants to strengthen its financial position by building large reserve which may be utilized. Source of bonus shares: credit balance of P&L account, general reserve, balance of debenture redemption fund, capital redemption reserve account, share premium, capital profits and reserves such as profit premium, etc. Procedure of issuing bonus shares. A decision is taken in the meeting of the board of directors to issue bonus share by passing a resolution. The company secretary now prepares a list of shareholders. As the bonus shares are issued for consideration other than cash, a contract is to be made within shareholders for issue of bonus share. After completing such contract, Procedure for issuing bonus shares. A decision is taken in the meeting of the board of directors to issue bonus shares by passing a resolution. Register of members is closed before meeting. In order to prepare a list of members entitled to bonus shares, the secretary now prepares a list of shareholders. As the bonus shares are issued for consideration other than cash, a contract is to be made with the shareholders for issue of bonus shares. The trustee of shareholders are appointed by the board to make such a contract on behalf of shareholders. After completing such contract, the share letters of allotment are dispatched to the shareholders. Then after, the share certificate are now prepared and shareholders are advised to get them in exchange of letter of allotment. A return of allotment is filed with the registrar within 1 month of the issue of bonus shares. Fractional bonus shares. Fractional shares can be disposed of in any one of the following ways. First is the sum is paid in cash to the shareholder. The company may issue fractional share to the shareholder with the instruction that he should either get the remaining fractional shares to make it a full shares. The fractional shares are all handed over to the trustee of shareholders. Now SEBI's guideline on issue of bonus shares. Bonus shares are shares issued as fully paid up to the existing shareholders by capitalizing reserves, and it thus creates additional shares. The main requirement for issue of bonus shares The main requirement of issue of bonus share as per guidelines issued by the SEBI on 11 June 1992 were replaced by following guidelines issued on 15 April 1994. These guidelines are applicable to existing listed companies whose share forwarded a certificate The bonus issue is made out of free reserves built up out of genuine profits and out of share premium collected in cash only. Reserves created by revaluation of fixed assets are not capitalized. The declaration of bonus issue in lieu of dividend is not allowed. Bonus share is not made unless the partly paid share, if any existing, are made fully paid up. So these are the main guidelines of bonus share. Bonus share issued not made unless the partly paid share, if any existing, are made fully paid up. The company has not defaulted in payment of interest or principal in respect of fixed deposits and interest on existing debentures or principal on redemption thereof. A company which announced a company which announced its bonus issue after the approval of the board of directors must implement the proposal within a period of 6 months from the date of such approval and shall not have the option of changing the decision. There should be a provision in Article of Association of the company for capitalization of its reserve. No company shall pending conversion of FCDs, PCDs issue any share by way of bonus unless similar benefit is extended to the holders of such FCDs, PCDs. The shares so reserved may be issued at the time of conversion of such debentures on the same terms on which the bonus issued were made. Now, private placement of shares. Private placement of shares has become very popular because of following reasons. First, it is simplicity. Second is less issue expenses. Third is it is flexible. And fourth, it is prompt collection of funds. Fifth, it is response is private matter. Then after secrecy, and so these are the main reasons of private placement. Then after modern trend of capital market. The market where short-term finance is traded is called money market. The modern trend of money market may be described as follows. As for Ravyam Kishore has remarked, over the past several years, the securities market has witnessed a sea changes. The market has become modern in terms of infrastructure, adoption of best international practices, and introduction of competition. With the maturity of regulatory framework, particularly that of SEBI, the market is also safe and investor is better protected. The existence reforms With the maturity of regulatory framework, particularly that of SEBI, the market is also safe and investor is better protected. The extensive reform introduced by SEBI over the last few years have enhanced the integrity, transparency, efficiency of operations of the securities market. The introduction of electronic trading in all the 23 stock exchanges have led to reduction in transaction costs, speedier execution of trades, and gains in liquidity. Volumes of trading has risen 100-fold in respect of many shares. The trading intensity of Indian stock exchange during the year 2006-07 was impressively by world standard. The market for government securities has developed to a great extent because under the recommendation of National Committee, the government has started issuing securities on the basis of current market rates. Due to lifting of control on rates of interest, the banks are now free to allow different interest rates on various types of deposits. Many new instruments have been introduced in the money market, like commercial paper, treasury bills with different maturity periods. There is increased professionalism in banking industry. Banking has developed on a very large scale due to advent of modern computers and newer technologies. Now the government securities are securities like treasury bills of variety maturity etc. In order to develop bill market, the Reserve Bank has established Discount and Finance House of India. So these are the main points of this chapter, that is Capital Market 1. I repeat the main point of capital market. First is Introduction of Capital Market. Chapter 4 Indian Finance BCom SEM 3 Indian Financial System. Chapter 4 Capital Market 1 Primary Market. Introduction, Function of Capital Market, History of Capital Market, Primary Capital Market, Types of Issue in Primary Market, Public Issue, Issue of Right Shares, SEBI guideline for issue of right shares, issue of bonus shares, SEBI guideline for issue of bonus shares, private placement of shares, modern trend of capital markets. In this chapter, the important points is function of capital market, history of capital market, primary capital market, types of issue in primary market, and SEBI's guideline on right share, bonus share, etc. તમે લઈને જ દેવાના